wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, you know what time it is? Time of the month where we talk about the latest things that are coming out. Summer is coming. Hopefully the brands are giving us something to be excited for. But if you want to know, then let's go. Okay, first thing I see here available now, all 12 shades of Makeup by Mario's new Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Creams are here, featuring a lip hugging applicator and a whipped mousse texture for long wearing full coverage color. This lips satin matte cream nourishes and softens with passion fruit seed oil. Price is $24. Okay, a lot of the shades look the same. Of course, they have different undertones and stuff like that, but it's all, you know, pink, pinkish. The mousse part is what's throwing me off. Have I tried? I tried the lip liner from Makeup by Mario. I like it. But I haven't tried anything else, which I've been meaning to, but I don't think this is going to be the first thing that makes me actually buy something. Y'all already know, wouldn't be this type of video if we didn't have a ColourPop collection available now. ColourPop's new In the Limelight collection has arrived. I wonder how the people who buy like every collection ColourPop comes out with are doing. Like, do you own a store at this point? Like, what do they stop? Because I feel like I definitely used to hear or see more of them talking. Like, they had like the Facebook groups and stuff like that. Where are they now? Are they still doing it? You know, anyway. Limelight collection has arrived. Collection includes a 9-pan palette, 2 color sticks, 3 jelly mush shadows, a lip scrub, and a lip balm. Y'all know I love the color green, but no. First look at Huda Beauty's new Cheeky Tint Blush Stick launching on their website March 15th. Available in 5 shades suitable for all skin types and tones, this is a beautifully buildable and moisturizing cheek cream stick that instantly melts into skin, glides like a dream, and blends so seamlessly, kissing your complexion with a dewy hint of tint for a major second skin vibe and juicy glow. Price is $25. Is this something I would like wait for launch day to pick up? No. But usually Huda Beauty don't miss with her products. I like the colors that I see here. So if this is like one of those, if it was on sale, or because they like to put Huda Beauty next to the checkout line in Sephora. Like if I was there, I saw it, like I would throw it in the bag. Or if I had to meet like a price requirement, I would throw it in there just to try it out. So at some point, will I probably try this? Yes. But am I gonna go rush to get it? No. First look at Tatcha's new Clarifying Clay Mask Exfoliating Pore Treatment coming soon. This is a clarifying clay mask that subtly warms to open pores, absorbs excess oil, gently exfoliates and decongest skin without drying. Price is $70. I expect that from Tatcha at this point. Will I pick it up? Yeah. I'm gonna pick up the sunscreen. I picked up that serum I was talking to you guys about in one of these videos. Yeah, because Tatcha's skincare don't miss for me. So will I? Yeah, I'm gonna get it. When does it launch? I don't see a launch date, but yeah. Sneak peek: Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Pillow Talk line continues with 4 new additions coming soon. If that's the sneak peek, I'm gonna close my eyes. Available now. I've seen this mascara all over TikTok. MAC Cosmetics has launched their new MAC Stack Mascara. There are 2 versions available, the MAC Stack Mascara Super Stack Mega Brush and MAC Stack Mascara Super Stack Micro Brush, both with black pigment. Okay, price is $28. I mean, at this point, I gotta try it just because I see everyone talking about it. Y'all know I'm not that big on mascaras, but you know, if it actually does something, $28. I might check it out. Available now, MAC Cosmetics launched their new Wild Cherry collection. Embrace elegance with an edge with this unexpected collection of Sakura inspired shades. Sakura inspired shades. Someone help me in the comments down below. No, packaging beautiful. One of those blushes, which I'm assuming that is very pretty. Actually, 2 of them. But no. Not gonna get me on packaging today. Okay, new collab. Morphe Brushes is launching their new Lucky Charms collection. I feel like we're running out of ideas. Cute. It's a collection As far as the packaging goes, spot on. The actual palette is giving rainbow palette, so it's like, you know, if you like one rainbow palette, you'll probably end up liking this one. Like I said, the brushes, they're very cute. Why I mean, at this point, like, I would only be buying it because I actually like the products, because like nothing about, oh, Lucky Charms, I definitely, you know what I'm saying? Like Bratz, I'm like, okay, Bratz, a collection. I gotta, mind you, I don't know if you guys saw, which has nothing to do with this video, but Bratz collabed with Cult Gaia on an actual like clothing collection. And for all the collections that Bratz have done when it comes to like clothing and stuff like that, because I think they did Dolls Kill and Forever 21, Cult Gaia is the closest that they've gotten to actually giving something that I'm like, yes, this makes sense. This is what people were asking for. However, it's Cult Gaia prices. Now, will I pick something up? Maybe. If you see it, mind your business. But like Lucky Charms, okay, I can just go buy the cereal and then I can eat that too. Like the makeup is gonna wash off at the end of the day. Like, okay, I actually saw this in store already, but available now. Gwen Stefani's new brand, pronounced Give Beauty, is spelled GXVE. I saw it in store. I don't see anything that would make me want to pick any of it up, but you know, maybe I'll hear other people recommending things and I'll be like, okay, let me go ahead and give it a try, but for now, I'm good. New from Summer Fridays, meet their Dream Oasis Hydration Serum launching on, oh, it already launched. This oil-free serum hydrates and seals in moisture for all-day hydration. Price is $44. Now, Tatcha, I would run to go get it, like as soon as it launches. This one, would I run to go get it? No, well, I mean, I already launched. No. But am I intrigued? Yes, because I've liked the other skincare products I've tried from Summer Fridays. So this one, hydration, I got oily skin. Like, you use those buzzwords, I'm already on my ear. For $44, yeah, I'll probably end up picking this up at some point. Yeah. Is this that sunscreen? Yes, it is. New from Glow Recipe, meet their first ever sunscreen, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50. It's already launched. I heard Drea talking about this. She said it was already sold out, stuff like that. I have a mask from Glow Recipe, but I picked, yeah, I would. How much is this? How much is this? I don't see it. Oh, $34? Yeah, I'll probably end up picking it up during the sale. Described as a hybrid chemical physical sunscreen that is light as air, easily blendable, non-greasy, with a glow boosting SPF that suits all skin tones. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Okay, another ColourPop. Actually, I think I received that in the mail. I Have You Now Darth Vader inspired pressed powder palettes. Again, like ColourPop is going to give you on theme, like the branding is going to make sense. Is when you open the palette that's you're like, because like we still got to remember, you got to use the product to actually make a look, and it's like, look what you doing with this? Anyway, you know. Available now. I've already seen videos of people reviewing this. I do plan to check it out at some point. I think I went on Sephora to go find my shade and I didn't see one, which does not surprise me when it comes to makeup forever, because I usually don't end up finding a shade that actually works. But their new HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. The new and improved version of Ultra HD Foundation is powered by technology that enhances performance and undetectability for skin that looks like skin under any light. Available in 40 shades. Price is $43. I don't really care for the original Ultra HD foundation. Would I give this a chance anyway? Yes, I would. I just gotta find a shade. Let me know if you guys want to see a foundation hunt on that. But yeah. Close up. Tatcha's new The Silk Sunscreen coming soon. Love that it's SPF 50. Make sure to check back for more details. I'm pretty sure it's already on Sephora at this point. Yeah, it's in my Sephora cart. I plan on buying this as well. Like I said, Tatcha, they don't miss when it comes to skincare, so like I'll immediately buy things when it comes to them. Available now. New teams have been added to NBA X ColourPop lineup. Shop the New York Knicks and Brooklyn Nets collection. Y'all know I'm a New Yorker, so like this should intrigue me, but you see how it doesn't. Again, packaging, they don't miss when it comes to packaging. Either one, the Nets version or the Knicks version. The Knicks version though, when you open it, yeah, the Nets version, when you open it, what looks are you doing with that? Is that how we gonna end the video? yeah, y'all, that's how we're gonna end the video. As far as makeup products in this video, did I see anything that I liked? I don't recall. I feel like the winner in this video was skincare, which, you know, summer is coming. If you're gonna be out and about, definitely look into some of those products that I saw. I will definitely be picking some of them up. But yeah, skincare was the winner this time around, which is, at this point, I guess y'all. But those are some of the new things that are coming out. Let me know in the comments down below. Any other new things I didn't cover in this video that you want to talk about. Maybe you want me to do a video on it. Let me know down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.